gentle as a butterfly. That was horrible. Don't ever do that again. I probably will. I'll probably do that again. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ant. If you are new around these parts, basically all I do is just play in makeup a little bit. I shop too much. I'm awkward AF. And occasionally I might... Bitch, I'm a mother! No drama! I'm Bob! Occasionally I might talk a little shit. If you are interested in any of those things, feel free to hit that subscribe button and become a beautiful person. Because who wouldn't want to be a beautiful person? I don't know. I don't know anybody who doesn't want to be. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey boo. Listen, I love me some Valentine's Day, but I felt like we already did the looks of what you could wear. You know, Valentine's Day date, you gotta plan ahead, gotta make that day special. Whether you have a partner or not, always put you first, boo. Self-love is the best love. And we already did some chocolate makeup look. We already did, what? Listen, English is not my forte. I'm born here, class on it, still can't speak it right, so don't judge me. Let's see, we did the chocolate eye makeup look, glossy eye. We did the cute little kiss one. Oh, that one is still my favorite. So pretty. So let's do a spring one, because probably by the time this video comes out, it'll be spring or be around spring. Spring's on the 22nd, right? If not, oh well, we just gonna do this look anyway. This look is super cute. I found it off of Pinterest and I figured, why not? It looks cute, so let's try it. Are we gonna bust or are we gonna pass? Ooh, ew.
Hey, yo.
Pause. I mean, anyways, today's look is inspired by, all right, so let's get to it. I apologize. I'm not the greatest at multitasking sometimes. I'm doing a TikTok too. And I was like, oh, okay, let me get ready for the next scene. And then the other side of my brain was like, girl, you know you filming too, right? You might wanna get back to that. So here we are. Okay, so obviously my eyebrows and stuff are done. Nobody really cares about all of that anymore that I know of anyway. I'm really excited mainly about doing this look because I have some lashes that have butterflies on them that I got from oh my God, hold on. But anyways, what was I even saying, bro? Obviously not that important to remember. Something about TikTok, maybe, I don't know. No, my lashes. I'm really excited about this look because I get to use these lashes I got from Shein, and there's some count. You'll see, you'll see. So basically I'm using these brushes that my mom got me, or my mommy got me. A lot of this work on here, like a lot of this stuff, what is it called? Concealer. The concealer. The name's on the brush, and you could have just, why? But I'm using a lot of it from there, and she got this set from Big Lots, I believe. And this is like probably one of the best concealer brushes I have. It says precision concealer on here. It's very precise. Like, just look at how good it applies and smooths out this primer concealer from Juvia's place I'm using. Like, it works so good. Like, oh my goodness. Sorry, you can't even see what the funk I'm doing. This eye trips me out so bad because I feel like my creases are set different, okay? This eye, it's lower, and on this one, it's higher. And it's a constant struggle for me to try and figure out where that bit is. Got skull problems or something, I don't know. Go ahead and try and wipe that off of there, because you know you don't belong on these sides of the track. I don't know what that was. I want it to be as smooth as possible. Okay, so do I look crazy? Yes, mission accomplished. Now I'm gonna dig into my, wait a damn minute, where'd it go? Oh, it's right there. I'm gonna dig into my Morphe, don't judge it, it's dirty. Into my Morphe 351 Ice Fantasy palette. I haven't bought this I haven't touched this since they released it, but I'm gonna dig into it today. It's got the colors that I want in it. All these pretty ass pastel colors that don't look right without primer for, you know, the melanated. I'm gonna use, obviously, some of this dark right here and some of this, and I'm gonna add shimmer. Can't have an eye look without shimmer. Guys, it was all a lie, she lied. I don't want the people on TikTok to see it, so I'm just gonna not show them. So I kind of fibbed. I'm just gonna use, I need to look at the picture again. Hold on. Yeah. We're Gucci. We're good. It looks like just one whole shade. So I'm just gonna take this purple in this palette. I'm just gonna rub it all over that white that we just put on my eyeballs. It's so loose, it's falling off everywhere. Looks like I'm putting purple powder on my face. Powder isn't what I wanted to say, but powder is just the word we're gonna have to use today. Okay, so now that we got this eye, we're looking pretty good. Well, don't look at that one. It's not done yet. Just right there. Boom, boom, baby. Looking good. That's one of my top liked TikToks. And I'm super happy about it. Super proud. I just realized it'd probably work a little better if I added more up here. Just a smidge bit. Because we still need to add the flowers. How did we forget about the flowers? Had it right the first time, Aunt. You had it right the first time. Get out of here, hair. Nobody said you could be all up in the fucking makeup look. Jeez. So I like, we want to take that concealer and add it to the, up to the bone. Clean it up, boo. God. Looking better. Yeah. Get in there, man. Add a cookie. If you try and clock me for any crumbs, that's why. Okay, so now we come to the very scary part. It's not that scary. Well, to me it is, because I want it to be perfect. It is what it is. We're gonna be adding the flowers now. Now the flowers don't look that bad. I'm also gonna try and smooth this out. I don't know why it bugs me that it's so sharp. But it shouldn't, right? Because we're gonna be putting the flowers. So why do we care? I don't know why we care. We just do. Doesn't matter. Leave it alone. What do we call something that doesn't come out exactly like the picture yet? We call it a remix, and it is what it is. Anyways, quit babbling. Let's get to the flowers, right? Luna, darling. Now I actually have to look at this picture so I can get a couple of the flowers down. You know, get them down. And I want to make sure that I'm getting them right, because I know it's pretty much 1, 2, 3, and then, oops, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going up. You know, they're not gonna come out exact. We know this, but we at least want to get some placements right. Maybe I should take the tape off. That would probably help a lot. Hey, little cricket, it's all right. My first flower, how'd I do? She's got the roundness going on, okay? I don't have the roundness. And I want to use all the brushes that my mom bought me, so. We're gonna just have different kind of flowers. Similar, but different. Came out kind of cute. She came out kind of cute. Let's get that petal back in its place. Part of me is like, just take it all off and start all over. No, I don't want to. This is already too much. Oh, so pretty, so freaking cute. Okay, we're just gonna get to the next process because you kind of get it, right? You draw your little stars. You draw a little cross, and then you like try and fix and touch up the edges and stuff, and you just keep doing it over and over again. It's a very repetitive process, but I think you get it. So we'll just move on to the next step, which is to add the little center, which will also be very simple. All right, so 20 years later, we're gonna go back and we're gonna put the little dots in. I'm just gonna show you, I'm just gonna add a couple on to the flowers that we've added. They're looking pretty decent. These are the prettiest weeds I've ever seen, but yeah, so I'm just gonna add a couple of them on there, and then, because it's, like I said, it's a repetitive process, so. God, my ear itches so good. And then we're gonna move on to the other things, right? We good? We're good. So for the eyes, I can't remember the name of it, but obviously I'll put it across the screen and it'll be down in the description box below. But I really like these little liquid eyeliners. They do the job. I've used them more times than I thought I would. Probably the one time I'll ever accept defeat from myself. That's a lie. So here we go. We're gonna add a dot into the center. And then since it doesn't come out as bright as I want it to, I'm probably gonna put on a couple of layers of the yellow. I'm probably gonna add a couple layers of the yellow just to really make it pop pop. You know what I mean? Pop rock candy pop. Oh my god, this look is so stinking cute. I wanted to scream, but I didn't feel like bringing that much noise. So that's why we ended up with that flat ass note. Whoop! Got too excited. Take your time, and take your time. I think this makeup look is coming out really cute so far. So that's just with one layer on this side, 2 layers on this side. I don't know if you can really see it on your end because this camera is camera's showing its whole ass right now. But I think it's coming out super cute. Like you can see it on my phone. Like I said, I'm making a TikTok doing this too. So you can see it on my phone better than you can see it on my camera. And that's just rude. How much money I spend on you, you can't even pick up the color yellow. Okay, so clearly we're not dealing with the eyes. I'm gonna just run my face real quick and then we'll come back to what we need to come back to. Give me a second. Oh my god, I don't know why my ear is itching so freaking good. It could stop though, anytime it could stop. Okay, so we're done with the face, kind of. We'll come back to it again later, of course. What the hell is going on with this eye right here? Miss Ma'am, get it together. Oh my god. If it's not one thing, it's another, y'all, I swear. And I gotta fix that flower. Son of a bit, you know what? I don't know if I fixed it, but it looks fine to me. So we're gonna go back into that palette and we're gonna add that purple on our underlid. Dabba dabba dabba. Dabba dabba doo. Don't swipe it. How about we don't swipe, man? It's so powdery, y'all. So powdery, like mad powdery. Actually, I think I have some purple eyeliner. Let me finish doing this first. One thing at a time, man. One thing at a time. Like opening a friggin' book, man. Yo, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Kind of. I'll be back in that palette in a minute. I could have sworn I had purple liner. So let me go check real quick. I know I did. It's right here. We're gonna use it now. Now we're gonna use it. It looks black, but I promise you it is purple and it's almost out. I don't know how. I don't know how. I don't think I've ever used this one before. It is almost gone. Let's go ahead and add some mascara. Look at that camera focusing on my eyeball. How funny. And they put black eyeliner on the lid too, so I think I'm gonna do that. I wanna be as similar to the photo as possible because it's really a stinking cute. Ow! Do a little thin layer of liner. Ooh, this is coming out so cute. I love it. There's something to say right now, but I'm finding it very difficult to talk and do liner. I don't know how Bailey Sarian does it. Or does she? Been a minute, I'm not gonna lie. Don't breathe, don't breathe when you do your liner. Okay, we're looking fine, we're looking fine, we're looking fine. I'm just super excited. I wanna hurry up and get to the lash part already, man. Cause them bitches are cute. Oof, oof. Ignore that crust dust mess. Ignore it. Okay, oh. You know what time it is. I was all hyped and ready for these lashes and I don't even have them ready. What the fuck, bro? Wait, maybe I do. Oh my god, where are they? Oh, I found them. They were on the floor this whole time. So I actually have 3 pairs of butterfly lashes. These are the ones that I'm talking about. I'm gonna put these on right here. I have this pair, and then I also have this pair. These are super cute. All of these I got off of Shein. So I'm sure if you just type in butterfly lashes, they'll be there. So I'm excited. So then I just cannot hide it. Trying to be super gentle. As gentle as a butterfly. That was horrible. Don't never do that again. I probably will. I'll probably do that again. They're so cute. So I don't think in the picture it shows what kind of lipstick that this person is wearing. Do you remember? I don't. And we're just gonna go nude because, you know, nude is always fun. Kind of gives off like a hippy dippy vibe anyway, so. I don't know where I was going with that. It just felt right. Girl, get it together. So I know that I know. I keep hyping up this whole eyelash thing, right? We're getting there. I promise you, we're getting there. I just keep forgetting that I got other things to do before I get there. So give me a minute. I'm sorry. I'm so much organized. I'm sorry. All right. I think it's only appropriate to use this bleach. I do gotta catch up on this though. I'm pretty far behind. This blush is what I was trying to say. I think I've only used it once, maybe twice, but I feel like it's appropriate to use again. Purple baby. I'm gonna use my finger. I'm gonna use my finger and just apply it on my bone. Is that working? Is it working the way I want it to work? Or does it just look like I just applied stuff on my face and ruined everything? I don't know. So I look professional. I'm just gonna use my sponge and tap it out. That looks better. Better already. Look at you. Look at you learning things and stuff. Get the other cheek. Ooh, might have put too much. That's all right. That's all right. We're gonna blend it out anyway. Oh, that's so pretty. I forgot how pretty it was. I'm gonna put it on my nose too. Okay. Okay, the time is here. We have finally gotten to the part where I put on the lashes. And then we're gonna wrap up this whole look. I don't think you're ready. First off, I need this look to last, okay? I'm doing a me, however you call it, video after this, and then so I'll know for sure I'll have 2 videos up next week instead of the 1 video that I had up for last week. Yeah. So I showed you the lashes. Right now I'm just gonna be putting on the glue, and I don't want to trim these. I don't. So I'm not going to. We're just gonna apply the glue, and then we're just gonna fit. We're gonna put that positive energy out there. It's gonna fit. Oh my God, we're getting glue everywhere. Calm down, man. I'm gonna be so disappointed if these lashes look like absolute poopy doop, because I hyped them up so much in my head on camera. You were there, you heard me. And then I put them on my face and they look like wah, 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 wah. I don't need to find the audio. It sounds just like that. Okay. I'm gonna apply them and then we'll be right back. Don't look, you're not allowed to look yet. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Boom, baby. Look at this lock. It is so cute. Look at these lashes, bro. Oh, I called it. Is this not giving springtime? I think so. Just found these dusty flowers somewhere around this house. I think I wore them for like a baby shower. I don't remember, but I think this is so cute. I think it came out really cute. So cute. My mother called me a flower child. I don't think she's 100% wrong. I mean, when was the time? Anywho, if you liked this video, if you like this look, let me know by leaving a like. Let the algorithm know that you like my stuff. Also, don't be afraid to leave some comments and let me know. I just want to chit chat with some folks. Be my bestie, boo. If you are not new to this channel, don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys, all of you wonderful, beautiful ass people, make sure you have your notification on, because again, I don't know when I'm gonna post. It's just, I mean, I should probably get that figured out though. I say that. But am I really gonna get it together? I guess we'll never know. But anyway, make sure you have that notification on so you can be the first to know when I upload. And you get to be the first to see these beautiful videos. All right, people. I can't wait to see you next time, and I will see you. I will see you soon. Bye.